Hello, my name is Alexis Alvarez. We are in week 2 of microbiology at Azusa Pacific, and today I'm going to be working on the Aseptic Techniques and Culturing Microbes lab. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my area set up and get all of my safety stuff on. And once I am ready to go, I'll come back to record another clip of the video. Thank you. Okay, so I have everything set up. I'm gonna lower the camera for a second. I have my TSA agar plates ready, as well as the 3 cultures, and then I have the inoculation loops and the lamp. First I wanted to show my cultures. So mine didn't really get too cloudy, but I was able to see that there is growth at the bottom of all of them. So that told me that it was ready to go ahead and do the experiment. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to first do the E. coli one. I'm going to sanitize the lid with the candle, and then using the inoculation loop, I'm going to dip it in there and place it on one quadrant of the agar plate. Let me lower this so you could see everything. Okay, so I'm going to open the agar plate, and without touching the rims, I'm going to stick this in there. And put that back into the alcohol. Re-sanitize the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to wait about 20 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and do it to all the quadrants of the agar plate. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add the culture from the S. cerevisiae over to the plate. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and complete it to the last 3 quadrants, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I have successfully added the culture to all of the plates. The remaining cultures here, I'm going to go ahead and place them in the refrigerator for future use. And then these, I'm going to, for the first 12 hours, I'm going to leave them in incubating in this direction, and then I will flip them over after the 12 hours, and I'll be back in about 48 hours to see how they came out. Thank you. Hello, so it's been 3 days, and I'm going to go ahead and check the growth of my cultures and see if they grew at all. So here I have the first one, that's the S. epidermis, and from looking at it, it doesn't really appear that there's too much growth. Let me try to zoom it in. I can kind of see very little, like it was starting to grow, but not anything really significant. The S. cerevisiae is the only one that I really did notice some growth, although I have to say that I anticipated more growth than that. And lastly, for the E. coli, I didn't notice anything at all. It really looks just like the agar plate when it started. So I'm not sure what went wrong with that one. But those are the results of my cultures for week 2.